Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Snapchat notification not working. So if the notifications are not working in your Snapchat application, what you have to do is first of all tap on settings, and after searching for apps you have to search for Snapchat, and after searching for Snapchat here your notifications might be off. You just have to turn on your notifications, come back and tap on permissions, and after tapping on permissions here you can find some options which you have allowed and which you have not allowed. So there might be some options that you have not allowed, just tap on allow, and after doing that your problems might be fixed. And even that doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is just restart your device, and after restarting your device your problem might be fixed, or you should reinstall your application. After reinstalling your application, the problems that you are facing might be fixed. And if this video helps you, like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts regarding this video, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.